Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'm going to start with my Glitter Planet UK's number 8 synthetic gel brush, and then I'm going to go in with Movie Under the Moonlight, this beautiful purple color, and then I'm going to apply it on my middle finger and my ring finger, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And you guys, I just want to tell you, yes, I did everything backwards. I did everything backwards. I'm going to start off and tell you guys that I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, if I wanted to use different colors or how I was going to fill the set. So that's why I'm doing everything kind of backwards. Now I'm going to go in with my Light Elegant swirly brush in that beautiful Movies Under the Moonlight color, and I'm going to make some diagonal lines on my nails. So this is what not to do. So I'm showing you guys how I thought I can achieve the look, but I wind up not doing it this way. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go in with Twilight Date Night, and I thought to leave it in here to show you guys, you know, what I did wrong. One, because you would just see a nail done and you'll be like, okay, that was weird. And two, so you can learn from my mistakes. So now I'm going to go in with Those Summer Nights, this beautiful color. I think these colors, like individually and collectively, are so beautiful together. And yeah, I'm not curing any of these colors yet. It's just me applying them on the nails. I just wanted to show you guys all the colors. And now I'm going to go in with Backseat Neckin', this beautiful vibrant pink that just like livened up the set. Yeah, I'm going to go in with that, and I decided to use it twice because I was just like, yeah, I want some more pink on this nail, you know. That color is so beautiful, you guys. So I'm just adding that on the nails, and then I'm going to go in with my Young Nails micro detailer brush, and I'm going to do like a drag marble look, right? But this is not how you achieve it. Please don't do it like this. I mean, you can if you want to. It just gives you a different look, and I wasn't looking for the look that this was giving because it was just like super harsh drag lines, if that makes sense, and it didn't look like it flowed together. It wasn't like blending and flowing nicely, but it was still very beautiful. It just wasn't what I was looking for. So then I took that all off my nails, and now I'm going to show you guys how to do it the correct way. So now I'm going to go in with Movies Under the Moonlight, which is this beautiful purple color, which is my base color. I'm going to apply that base color onto my nails, and then I'm not going to cure it. That is the trick. Don't cure it. And then after I'm done applying it all over my nail, I'm going to go in with those same 3 beautiful colors, right? Backseat Neckin', Those Summer Nights, and Twilight Date Night. I'm going to take all those colors with my swirly brush, and I'm going to load up that swirly brush. Right, it's going to look like there's a lot of gel on there because it is, and I'm gently going to lay that down onto the wet gel. And you want to do it in such a way that it doesn't really mix with the purple. You don't want it to start marbling before you actually add the effect in, so you don't want to play around with it too much. So that's why I grabbed a excess gel to, like, you know, lay down on my nail like this, like my brush is loaded, right? So you kind of want to just lay it over the wet gel, and then after you lay it over the wet gel and you have all of your colors that you want it in any particular order that you want it, because I did all of them differently, they're all different. So I'm going to go in with my Young Nails micro detailer brush, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Is just take that, drag it out, and then wipe my brush. So after every wipe, I'm going to wipe my brush, right? Every swipe through the nail, I'm wiping my brush. Swipe through the nail, wipe my brush. You want to wipe your brush after it so that it doesn't make it muddy, because it would definitely start to like really marble and like blend those colors together. You don't want that to happen. You just want to do one pass and you're done, right? One pass, wipe, done. One pass, wipe, done. You don't want to play with it too much. And then it gives you that beautiful water marble look, like effect, and it's just so gorgeous, you guys. Like, look at it. So now I'm going to go back in with Movies Under the Moonlight, or Movie Under the Moonlight, and I'm going to add it to my rest of my nails because, fun fact, my son woke up and this is like literally 5 hours later. So I had time to think about what I wanted to do with the set and where I wanted to go with it. And I decided within those 5 hours that I wanted all of my nails to be one color and I wanted the same design on all of them. So I just do them in different locations, so it kind of makes your design a little bit more interesting and a little less boring in my humble opinion. So now I'm going to go back in with those same beautiful colors as you guys can see here. After I applied my base coat, I did not cure it because I felt like I didn't need to apply a base coat, cure it, and then apply another base coat. Like the buttercreams are so opaque that I just did one coat, to be honest, on these two nails, and it came out perfectly fine. My nails wasn't like see-through or anything crazy because the buttercreams are super pigmented. So now I'm going in and I'm doing the same thing that you guys see here. I haven't cured anything, so I just want you guys to know that nothing has been cured as of yet. So I kept that gel super wet and I'm going in, I'm adding my colors and letting them morph together, right? Because I'm doing two fingers at a time. And then you can apply them however you want, wherever you want. If you want to cover the whole nail, you guys can more than welcome to cover the whole nail. If you want to do half of the nail, if you want to, you can play around with it and do whatever it is that your little heart desires, right? And then after I'm done adding the colors and doing all that fun stuff, I'm going to go in with my micro detailer brush and I'm going to swipe through the gel, clean the brush, swipe through the gel, clean the brush. And that is really important so that you guys know not to muddy up your design. So you're going to swipe and wipe, swipe and wipe. And then you get this really beautiful effect, you guys. And I don't do my nails for compliments or like conversation starters, but I'm telling you guys, these nails have been conversation starters. Everyone loved them and everyone was so like perplexed on how I got my nails to look like this. They're like, yeah, but how did you do that design? It's not even raised on your nail. Like, I'm so like, how did you do that? So I was just like, it's a magic trick, watch my YouTube channel, you'll figure it out. So I got so many compliments on my nails and I just feel like it's so good for anybody, right? If you're a newbie to the nail game, you can do this. If you are a veteran in the nail game, you can do this. Like, it's for everybody. Like, I just love simple designs that look so intricate and look like you took so much time, dedication out of your day when you really didn't to do your nails, right? So I just love the simplicity, but the complex, how the set looks super complex, I just love that about this set. And I love another way to do marble nails, right? Because you guys know I love marble nails. So this is like that water marble effect without the water, and without regular nail polish. Like, it's just so beautiful. I love it, you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I want to try it with more colors, So these are my final results, you guys. You guys have to let me know down in the comments how you're liking this set. I absolutely love it. And I think I love it so much more because the base color is purple. Like, I love purple, but I love that pop. I think Backseat Necking definitely elevated the set because it just took it to a whole nother level with that neon pink just popping through. I just really, really love this design. I just thought it was so pretty and a beautiful way to like showcase the new buttercream collection, like, oh, I'm so here for it. So here for it. Love it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.